এক নাম্বার কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, when does the entire the earth experience equal to days and a night? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, day of equinox, when does the entire the earth experience of equal to days and a night? এক number question explain. Equinox literally means equal night, given the impression that the night and day on the equinox are exactly the same length, 20 hours each. There are two equinoxes every year, in March and September, when the sun shines directly on the equator and the length of the night of day are nearly equal. Next question. 2 number question কি বলছে, বাথোলিটস আর ল্যান্ডফর্ম ক্রিয়েটেড বাই, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, volcanic activities, the batholiths and landform created by. 2 number question explain there. Batholiths are large granitic rock and bodies formed due to solidification of a hot magma inside of the earth. They appear on the surface only after the denudation process remove the overlying materials. Batholiths form the core of Hajis mountain and may be exposed on the surface after erosion. Next question. 3 number question কি বলছে, the breaking up and decay of the exposed rock by the temperature changes for frost action, plants, animals and human activities called. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, weathering, the break up to and decay of exposed to rock by the temperature of changes, the frost action, plants, animals and human activity is called. 3 number question explain. Weathering to refers to the breaking up and decay of exposed to rock by the temperature changes, frost action, plants, animal and man. Once a rock has been broken down, a process called erosion transport and the beat of the rock and minerals away. Water, acid, salt, plant, animals and changes in temperature are all agents to weathering and erosion. Next question. 4 number question কি বলছে, which of the following is the outer layer of the earth that is the made of the plates which is fit together to like a jigsaw puzzle? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, lithosphere, just which is of the following the outer layer of the earth that is made of the plate which is fit together to like of jigsaw puzzle. 4 number question explain. The rigid to outer layer of the earth is called an lithosphere is not to solid shell. It is made up of thick interconnecting pieces to called tectonic plates that is fit together to like a puzzle. This is plated to metal rock, but this rock is the general lightweight is compared with the denser fluid layer underweight. This is allows the plate to the float on the top of the denser material. Next question. 5 number question কি বলছে, the formation of the river delta is the result of which is process? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, evaporation, just formation of the river delta is the result which is of process. 5 number question explain. A river to delta is the landform created by the deposition of sediment that is the carried by a river as the flow leaves its mouth and enter the shower moving of stagnant water. This occurs to where a river to enter an ocean, sea, estuary, to lake and reservoir, or more rarely to another river that is cannot to carry away the supply to sediment. Next question. 6 নাম্বার কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, আপার মাস্ট অফ আর্থ ইজ কল্ড, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, crust. Just upper mast of earth is called. 6 number question explain. A crust is the outermost layer of a planet. This crust of the earth is the composed of a great variety of igneous to metamorphic and sedimentary rocks. The crust is underlined by the mantle. The upper part of the mantle is the composed mostly of peridotite. A rock is denser than rock is common in the overlying crust. Next question. 7 number কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ইজ অ্যান ইগনিসিয়াস রক, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, granite. Which of the following is an igneous rock? 7 number question explain. Granite is a light colored igneous rock that is formed from the slow crystallization of magma below earth's surface. Strictly speaking, to granite is igneous to rock with a between 20% and 60% quartzite by volume, and at least 35% of the total feldspar is consisting of alkali feldspar. Next question. 8 number question কি বলছে, in the context of the plate tectonics which of the following the statement is not correct, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, Eurasian plate is largely an oceanic plate is not plate tectonic is not correct. Thus number B, the major tectonic plate is the surrounded by young fold mountain ridges, trances and or faults. Tectonic plate is moved horizontally over the asthenosphere, Earth's surface to divided into 7 major plates. Next question. 9 number question কি বলছে, what is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth is called, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth called. 9 number question explain there. Lithosphere is the outermost shell of the earth. It includes the crust and the uppermost mantle, which is constitute the hard and rigged outer layer of the earth. The lithosphere is the subdivided into tectonic plates. The uppermost part of the lithosphere that chemically reacts to the atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere through the soil, forming the process is called the pedosphere. Next question. 10 number question কি বলছে, dash is the metamorphic rock from the characterized by the bonding caused by the segregation of different type of rock, typically light and dark silicate, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, genesis is the metamorphic rock from the characterized the binding caused by segregation of a different type of rock, that's typical light and dark silicates. 10 number question explain. Genesis is the common and widely distributed the type of metamorphic rock. Genesis is the formed by the high temperature and high pressure metamorphic process acting on formation to compost of igneous and a sedimentary rock. Orthogenesis is the genesis to derive from the igneous rock. Paragenesis is the genesis to derive from of the sedimentary rock.